Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Sometimes the only thing standing between me and a good night's sleep is the sound in the room. So that's why these wax earplugs from Peace and Quiet are exactly what I need to help get a good night's sleep. Sometimes traditional earplugs that go into the ear canal are uncomfortable for me. That's why these wax earplugs are so different. Instead of going inside the ear canal, they fit along that outside or that outer ear, and they fill that whole area, therefore blocking sound. They can also block water, so you can use them if you're a swimmer or if you are showering and you really don't want to get any water in your ear for any reason. They come in various packs with different amounts. I have a 28 pack, a 15, and a 6. I love the fact too that I have this little smaller container inside, so I have just one pair that fits in there if I just want to travel with them and just take the one pair and I need a carrying case for them. Now these are placed in the outer ear, not the inner ear. So it's really important to follow the product guide, which is very simple and direct. And they also provide how to use videos in case a video is easier. Now, of course, if any pieces should break off and get inside the ear, it's important to seek the advice of an ENT professional. These wax earplugs from Peace and Quiet absolutely get the job done. They prevent water from getting in my ear if I'm swimming, and they help block out sound when I'm sleeping. So if you're looking to sleep better, or to swim or shower without getting any water in your ears, then I highly recommend these easy to use and very comfortable wax earplugs from Peace and Quiet. And that is my point of view.